Ever walked into your bathroom and thought, didn't I just clean this? Yet, there it is. Soap scum, water stains, and that musty smell creeping back in. But what if I told you that with just a few simple habits, you could keep your bathroom sparkling clean without spending hours scrubbing? Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the secret strategies that professional cleaners swear by to keep bathrooms pristine with minimal effort. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more life-changing tips. And if you want to take your bathroom cleaning game to the next level, head over to our school community for a 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. Plus, you'll get access to our free community made for women. Check it out by clicking the link in the description box below. 1. The flushing mistake you're making. Imagine this. You've just finished using the toilet, and without a second thought, you flush. But did you know that flushing with the lid up can send germs flying up to 5 feet away? That's right. Aerosolized droplets containing bacteria can disperse, landing on your sink, towels, and even your toothbrush. The solution? Always flush with the lid down. It's a simple habit that can drastically reduce the spread of germs and keep your bathroom cleaner for longer. 2. The power of daily maintenance. You might think that cleaning your bathroom once a week is enough, but here's the truth. Daily maintenance is key. Spend just 5 minutes each day wiping down surfaces, squeegeeing shower doors, and keeping clutter at bay. This daily routine prevents grime buildup, soap scum, and water stains from taking hold. It's much easier to maintain cleanliness than to tackle deep cleaning sessions every week. 3. Moisture control, the silent enemy. Moisture is the #1 culprit behind mold, mildew, and that damp smell in your bathroom. After every shower, moisture lingers in the air and on surfaces, creating the perfect breeding ground for bacteria. To combat this, always use the bathroom fan during and after showers. If your bathroom doesn't have a fan, open a window or use a dehumidifier. Additionally, consider using moisture-absorbing products like silica gel packets or activated charcoal bags to keep the air dry. The shaving foam hack. Here's a game-changing tip. Apply a thin layer of shaving foam to your bathroom mirrors. This simple hack prevents fogging and reduces moisture buildup on the glass. Not only will your mirrors stay clear, but you'll also notice a decrease in overall bathroom humidity. It's an inexpensive and effective way to maintain a cleaner bathroom environment. 5. The importance of decluttering. A cluttered bathroom not only looks messy, but also makes cleaning more challenging. Keep countertops clear by storing toiletries in cabinets or drawers. Use organizers to keep items like makeup, skincare products, and cleaning supplies neatly arranged. A tidy space is easier to clean and gives the illusion of a fresher bathroom. 6. The squeegee solution. After every shower, use a squeegee to remove water from shower walls and doors. This prevents soap scum and water stains from forming. It's a quick and easy step that can save you from scrubbing later. Plus, it extends the life of your shower surfaces, keeping them looking new for longer. 7. The right cleaning products. Not all cleaning products are created equal. Choose cleaners that are specifically designed for bathroom surfaces and target common issues like soap scum, hard water stains, and mold. For natural alternatives, consider using a mixture of vinegar and water or baking soda and water paste. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and test products in a small area first. 8. The towel trick. Wet towels left on the floor or hanging in the bathroom can quickly become a breeding ground for bacteria. Always hang towels fully open to dry and wash them regularly. For an extra boost, add white vinegar to the rinse cycle to remove odors and kill bacteria. This simple habit can make a significant difference in maintaining a fresh-smelling bathroom. 9. The importance of regular deep cleaning. While daily maintenance is crucial, don't neglect regular deep cleaning sessions. At least once a week, scrub tiles, clean grout lines, and disinfect high-touch areas like faucets and light switches. This ensures that your bathroom remains hygienic and free from buildup that daily cleaning might miss. 10. The final touch. Fresh scents. A bathroom that smells fresh is instantly more inviting. Use natural air fresheners like essential oils, scented candles, or fresh flowers to keep the space smelling pleasant. Avoid harsh chemical air fresheners as they can contribute to indoor air pollution. A fresh scent can make your bathroom feel cleaner and more relaxing. Keeping your bathroom cleaner for longer doesn't have to be a daunting task. By incorporating these simple habits into your daily routine, you can maintain a pristine bathroom with minimal effort. Remember, consistency is key. Small actions, when done regularly, lead to significant results. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more practical advice. And for even more cleaning hacks and resources, join our community by clicking the link below. You'll get access to our free top 10 cleaning products list and our emergency speed cleaning checklist, plus a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Thank you for watching, and here's to a cleaner, fresher bathroom every day.